Listen, dickheads. First of all, listen. You know what? Here's what I'll do. Folk, I got you. Don't even trip. You want some news to forget about everything you're talking about? Here you go. I'll release what I got paid since the beginning of my contract. I've been paid $360 million for 16 months of gambling. There you go. There's the information that'll get you off the topic of hating Poke.
Wait, is that really?
That's real, yes.
Now your clip's gonna go viral. Everyone thinks they're hating on me.
Oh shit!
Yeah, now you made it worse. No one's hating. They're now you made.
There you go.
I want to know
guys.
more about the Car 98 personally.
Yo, buy me a house,
released,
bro.
It's done. 360 million. There you go, dumb fucks.
Yo.
I could buy Hasan, Pokey, and Ludwig all together and sell them and buy them again. Fucking pussies.
You do that to me so much more than that because I'm way cheaper.
Yeah, same.
Oh no.